the most stories you can have when you're learning a language or a culture are cases. And cases is just stories about doing things in the language. Just doing things in the language. That's a case. So a case can be shopping. The case can be bargaining. The case can be using large numbers. So I would say cases are what in traditional, what we usually call when we do language is functions and notions. So functions is what the language has that allows you to do something. And a notion is what inventory of things do you use? What inventory of vocabulary and concepts do you use, right? So color systems or notions, all right? Describing, using colors to describe a sunset. That's a case, right? Using colors to describe your girlfriend's eyes. That's a case. You use it to do something. Right? So cases, large numbers, shopping, refusing, persuading, all these kinds of things we can consider. Cases is a category in search of somebody to order. It's like a big closet with everything thrown in it, and it really needs somebody to come in and order it and structure it and clear it out, So if anybody has a really fine concept of order, and they really like to do things like straighten out warehouses full of random objects, then this is a project for them to describe cases. But as we go through, as we learn a language, we keep adding cases. Okay, and sort of cases is just the ability to do something in the language. The other